Assalamualaikum guys, in this video I'm talking about the demonstration of for loop and while loop, that is an entry check loop. So as I told you earlier, loop is nothing but to repeat an action again and again until the condition satisfied. If the condition satisfied, that loop will be stop at that the very value wherever it stays, is condition satisfied. So if you wanted to implement loop, here's how you could be able to. If I wanted to implement for loop here, I just wrote for, as I told you earlier, for with I is nothing but the variable which we defined, or it is in Python the variable we, if we not define it will not affect the program. It will not throw an error because it is also meant for automative variable pro automative. So let's say it works or not. For I in range, as I told you earlier, range is nothing but the keyword of the programming. For in range is nothing but the keyword of the programming language. The key how you could be able to define the for loop, here's how. So for I in range of 10. So let's say first you define that I, what is the I really is. I is equal to 1. No, if I do so I equals to 10, then for loop here is implemented completely. For I in range, so started with 1 or otherwise 0, started with 0 and ended with 10 and increased by 1. Yes guys, 1, and with the column, and let's say print I, what if we already give it the answer or not. So here's how it gives the answer perfectly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 9. So we will not define that equals to symbol. So to implement while loop, here's how while loop could be implemented here. While its condition is I. I have already declared the variable I is greater than 10. No, it is let it be in 5. Greater than 5 with colon. Okay. Print I and then the condition I plus equals to 1. Okay. So here's how you define. Oh my god, what on earth is doing? Oh, it will print till the end of the program. It is not going to be, it have to be. I just wanted to stop the show here. To stop this on the show. Here's how the really works. So to implement while programming this, I wanted to show again you guys. I wanted to declare another variable a as 10. Let's say a equals to 10. And wow, a is less than 20. Less than or equals to 20. Let's say what will it works on. Print the age variable and the a equals to plus a plus a plus a equals to plus 1. No, you're comparing a plus a equals to plus a plus equals to 1. So if I do so, let's see what it happens. It will print till the 20 because we defined it as equals to. If it is less than, it will be printed till the end, that is minus 0 minus after the end of the numbers, that is not going to be ended at all. So we just have to wait and watch. That is not have to be. So I just do the operator equals to operator. If I do so, then it will print 10 to 20. So here's how while and for loop works with a very much easiest concept in the programming languages. So if you wanted to learn more about programming languages and any other thing, you're willing to learn any other thing from me, you will comment on the comment section in the below your comment section. So I just wanted to thank you guys for being with me. Stay tuned for more updates. Share this channel. So thank you guys so much. Before letting it go, I just wanted you I just wanted to tell that audience is not audience. Audience is for me, audience is the partner, the friends. So subscribers do not come at all when you think the audience as a people. I think